Good morning, Adam.
Good morning, Sarah.
When did you get up?
I wake up 7:30.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock now.
I'm hungry, honey.
I have an idea. Today is the weekend. I'm off from work. I'll make breakfast for us.
You're the best.
So, my sweetheart, what would you like for your breakfast?
Anything, honey.
Today we have a lot of free time. So, your chef will prepare a big breakfast for you.
I can't wait for today's special breakfast. So, what are you going to make for breakfast, honey?
I'll make toast with mashed avocado, sunny side fried eggs, cheese tacos with black coffee.
No! I think it's a heavy breakfast. I'm on a diet. Because I think I've gained some weight lately. Moreover, it's greasy. It can cause acne. My acne just went away yesterday.
Okay, no problem. Then I will make strawberry pancakes. A healthy yogurt fruit salad along with fresh squeezed orange juice.
No, we ate yogurt salad yesterday.
So what would you like? I'll prepare what you say.
Anything, honey.
Don't say anything. Tell me what is your favorite thing for breakfast.
Okay, let me think. So, let's eat half-fried eggs. Toast with mashed avocado and cheese tacos.
But you said it's a heavy breakfast and oily too. And your acne had just went away yesterday.
But those are my favorite things for breakfast.
So you're not afraid of having acne, are you?
Why are you asking that? Are you afraid that acne will make me no longer attractive?
No, I didn't mean it. Okay, I'll make all this for you. So what about drink? What would you like to drink with breakfast?
Anything, honey.
Okay, so orange juice for breakfast.
I don't want orange juice today.
But you just said, anything.
Anything except juice.
Now it's a new rule. Don't say anything. Or you prepare breakfast. Okay?
Okay.
Now tell me, what would you like to drink today?
I'll have chocolate milkshake today.
Excellent. Breakfast will be ready in 30 minutes.
Thank you, chef. I'll take a shower and brush my teeth. See you in 30 minutes.
Great. After 30 minutes.
Wow, honey! Everything looks so delicious and mouth-watering.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please subscribe channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.